Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In the Databricks series, we are going to learn how to implement the minimum and maximum functions in a PySpark along with the groupBy. So here the requirement is right. There is a employee table which contains employee ID, name, and salary, and so on columns. So we have to identify the minimum and the maximum salary from the employee table. That is the first one. The second requirement is right, same and minimum and maximum salary within each department, which means what is the minimum salary from the IT and maximum salary. The same goes to finance, sales, and marketing. So within each department, we need to find the minimum salary as well as maximum salary. Okay. Let's see first how to calculate the minimum salary. Okay. I will use AGZ. So min of employee df dot salary column. Okay, and I'm giving the alias name for this, which is min salary. So next comma max employee underscore df, we have to pass the salary column to max function, and after that use alias name max sal. So in the end apply dot show. So now execute this piece of code. We are going to get the minimum salary and maximum salary. Let's say 5 lakhs or 50,000, 50,000 and 90,000. Okay. Now the same minimum and maximum needs to be applied on the each department, which means we have to apply the groupBy, which is exactly equal to SQL groupBy, and we have to pass the column which is employee df dot department. That's it. Now we are going to get minimum and maximum salary in each department. Let's see what is the min and max salary from the IT, HR, finance, sales, and marketing. So that's how we can implement the minimum and maximum along with the groupBy in a PySpark. Okay, that's it from this video. Thanks for watching, guys.